Hi sir, I'm Mohammad Mansur Sharif, a team member of Group 5. Our topic for this presentation is blockchain and zero knowledge proof, which is presented by me, Mansur, Sudarshan, Sumant, and Nagasai. In this presentation, we are going to talk about what is a blockchain and how it works, what is zero knowledge proof with an example, real world companies which make use of zero knowledge proof, and the technologies that they use. So firstly, what is a blockchain? Blockchain is simply a database. Unlike typical databases, blockchain holds information in the form of groups known as blocks. Each block has certain storage capacity, and once it is filled, it is linked with a previously filled block, forming a chain-like structure known as blockchain. Now, these blockchain have an interesting property that once a data is stored in it, it is very hard to change. And each block is encrypted with strong and complex encryption algorithm, making them highly secured. Now let us take a look at a block. A block holds data. What type of data it holds depends upon the blockchain. The second element is hash value. Hash value is simply a code which uniquely identifies this block. And third element is hash value of previous block. Now it is this element which enables the blocks to form the chain-like structure. So to summarize, blockchain is a collection of records chained together, highly resistant to alteration, and are secured by encryption algorithms. Now that we have a basic understanding of blockchain, let us see an application for it. We all might have heard about cryptocurrencies and how they became popular these days. The three main reasons that they became so trendy are they are immune to counterfeiting, they are decentralized, there is no central authority in it, and they are highly secured because they make use of strong, complex encryption algorithms. This is all possible because they are implemented by using blockchain. Now let us take an example of Bitcoin blockchain and see how it works. Now we have 4 users, A, B, C, D. A, B, C have 3 Bitcoins and D has 5 Bitcoins. Now if A tries to send 2 Bitcoins to D, a block is generated containing that information. And now if B and C also send 2 Bitcoins, then 2 more blocks will be generated using the values of the previous block. And these blocks are linked together, forming a chain-like structure. This chain-like structure is called as a ledger. Each user in the blockchain has a copy of this ledger, meaning that everyone can have a look at what transaction is going out, and they can even validate these transactions. But there is a problem in this blockchain. As everyone has a copy of this, that means everyone can see the transaction history. So if A sends 2 Bitcoins to D, everyone knows about that. Now this might be a concern to privacy. To overcome this issue, there is a concept called as zero knowledge proof, which will be explained by my teammate Sumant in the next slide.
Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about zero knowledge proof concept. So first question, what is basically zero knowledge proof concept? So zero knowledge proof is a protocol, is basically a method to verify the information truth without revealing the information itself. It means that we have to just verify the information is present or not without revealing any key details of the information. So this concept was first proposed by some of the researchers from MIT University in the year 1985. Now to clearly understand about the zero knowledge proof, let me tell you a short story. Let us assume that there is a competition to find the Willy character from the following clipboard, as you can see on the screen. And we have 2 competitors. One is Danny the verifier and one is Maggie the approver. After a few minutes of the competition, Maggie claims that she won the competition by as that she knows the exact location of the Willy from the following clipboard. Now Danny wants to verify that her claims are to be true or she's making some false allegations. In real world, what Danny can do is he can directly go to Maggie and he can ask for the location of the Willy. In this way, the location of the Willy character from the following clipboard is getting revealed, which is against the properties of the zero knowledge proof. So now how Maggie can prove her claims without revealing the details is by using the zero knowledge proof concept. So now what Maggie does is she takes a blackboard which is 2-3 times the size of the clipboard. She then makes an outline exact cut of the Willy character, and then she aligns the clipboard which is used for the competition at exactly back of the blackboard in such a way that the Willy character is visible from the outline cut which we made earlier. So now she calls Danny and she shows the Willy character from the outline cut we made. And Danny is satisfied that Maggie knows the answer and Maggie knows the location and her claims are to be true. And this process of proving the claims to be true is called completeness in the zero knowledge proof concept. And now, on the other hand, even Danny doesn't know the location of the Willy character because, as you can see on the screen, the Willy character could be any end of the clipboard, but he can only see the Willy character from the center outline cut that we made earlier. Now, there are some other properties of zero knowledge proof as well, as you can see on the screen. Coming to the other aspect, there are two types of zero knowledge proof concepts. One is interactive and one is non-interactive. In interactive, the prover and verifier can challenge how many times they want. There is no limit for that. While coming to the other hand, non-interactive zero knowledge proof, the prover and verifier can challenge once at a time. Now, of course, zero knowledge proof has do some challenges and drawbacks. Now, as from the previous story, we know that Danny could not guess the location of the Willy, but he knows some he can guess and up to an extent where exactly the area of Willy character could be in the following clipboard. That means that our zero knowledge proof is not 100% accurate. Well, coming to the computational intensity, as I said earlier, interactive zero knowledge proofs in international interactive zero knowledge proofs, we can communicate, we can challenge ours with the prover and approver as many times we want. This means that is not suitable for slow and mobile devices. So now this concept is used by nowadays widely by across many companies around the globe. My friend Sudarshan will tell you about some of those companies and its core technologies.
Hi, I am Sudarshan. I am going to explain about real-world companies using blockchain and zero knowledge proof. CDC is developing a federated global identity verification network that enables certified, trusted identity providers such as governments, banks, telecommunication companies, utilities to provide identification in real time, enabling businesses to respond swiftly to new government, regulatory, and industry requirements. Now, there are 5 real-world problems solved by CDC: SIM swap fraud, network website login, contact center authentication, credit card authorization, negative social media. Coming to core technologies, there are two types of core technologies. First one is Krypton network. A citizen can utilize this solution to verify one or several aspects of their identity with one or more identity providers. Identity providers such as telcos, utilities, banks, governments, trusted privacy network, privacy and security, public trust, KYC, etc. Relying parties such as companies, exchanges, banks, governments. Next technology is Prexa. Using this technology, financial institutions can securely share their knowledge about clients or transactions without disclosing the underlying data. CDC was invested in by 3 companies, including IQT, Enterprise Ireland, EaseMe. CDC serves 3 types of customers, namely banks, governments, and corporations. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Next, my friend Nagasai is going to explain about Gcash.
Hello everyone, I am Nagasai Mamadela. Today I am here to talk about the Jetcash introduction, which is one of the related topic of the blockchain technology. Apart of this, I will talk about the brief introduction of the Jetcash, objectives, problems, and core technologies as well as additional features. First, I will start with the Jetcash technology. Jetcash is a cryptocurrency built on a decentralized blockchain that involves advanced applied cryptography. It provides enhanced security privacy through shielded addresses. And this is a open source code similar to Bitcoin. It is like a Bitcoin and Litecoin, but a few improvements made by the blockchain technology. It gives the enhanced privacy and zero knowledge transfers in the theory. Like it was developed on the 2016 and created by the Jetcash technology, founded by the Juko Vlogs Ohen. And we can see the so many objectives of the Jetcash, and here the main thing is privacy protecting and digital currency built on the strong signs. We can efficiently transact the money with safely with low fees, and a shielded Jetcash ensures transaction with confidential. And this is one of the real problems solved by the Jetcash technology, that is the privacy on the public chains. This is a these are one of the best problem to solve by the Jetcache. And we can see the more additional features over here. There is a number of the additional features we can see on the screen. Here the JK Snacks is one of the core technology for making the Jetcache technology. Jetcache is a widespread application of the JK Snacks. You can call the JK Snacks as a called as Jetcache also. We can see the diagram, rough diagram of the process of what is going on in this picture. Here, there are some of the companies invested on this for the blockchain technology, and there is a more interesting aspects. There is my core. There is my introduction of the Jetcache. Thanks for giving this opportunity.